Hello, my name is Damien, I'm the developer of Mosh Unit, and in this video I'll show you how to use Mosh Unit. Let's go! First, we need to install Mosh Unit. It's pretty easy, you just need to download it from the website and then just extract it. Just press the right mouse button, press extract all, and then save it somewhere safe where you don't delete it accidentally, for example on your desktop or in the documents folder. Then press extract. The folder will be extracted. Then open up the folder that you extracted and then open the application Mosh Unit. Press Mosh Unit, and the first time starting it there could be a window saying this app isn't safe. Just press under the little button more and then proceed anyway, and then the app started. This happens because I don't have an official Windows license, but it doesn't matter for the workflow with the app. Yeah, and after you have opened it, you can already use it. Yeah. First to the interface, I will explain it how the interface works and what is what. Here we have the library, you can here add clips. For example, we will open this clip up. Then automatically the clip that is added here opens also in the timeline. You can turn on and off the sound. Then we have here a little info with the information how to use it. Probably if you're watching this video you don't need it anymore, so you can just close it. And if you need again the window, you just can press here on the button. Yeah, then we have here the effects buttons. Then we have here also a option to choose a format what we want to use for it. For example, if you are doing social media work, you have, for example, 16:9 videos and also videos that are 9:16, and you can also choose here what you want from it. Then you can zoom in and zoom out onto the timeline. Here's an inspector that's saying the information about the clip. For example, here we can also zoom in and zoom out in the clip. We can also later see the information of the effect. To that a little bit later. You can also save projects and open them, and then when doing the work you can press the preview button to see what effect you actually added on and also export it. When you're exporting the video it stays high quality with sound, and even the effects add some effects to the sound. Yeah, so it stutters, you know. And yeah, let's glitch the video. We have here the bloom effect. I forgot to say, you can also trim the videos. That's really helpful, and you can also zoom in and zoom out in the clips. Yeah, just choose an effect from. You can, for example, choose bloom, and then you need to drag the place where you want to have the effect. So you just press the left mouse button and drag it to the right, and you have added the effect. You can press on it and also turn up the intensity, and also turn on if the effect repeats every few seconds or not. You can also add another effects on it, like you can layer them, and yeah, press preview and the whole video generates the video. This is made by, you know, I made the preview button just to have it easier to compile the videos, because if you have it, you know, live preview every time, you look, there we have the effect. It isn't that special because the clip isn't that cool, it doesn't have that much movement. Yeah, you can also add different effects. To the preview button, what I wanted to say is that if you don't have the preview button, the app will try to render out the video the whole time, and while working it can make your PC buzzy, and then everything is low, and that's bad, and I hope you get the message of it. Yeah, you can delete the effects just open it, then remove zone. You can also add another effect, for example reverse, and then the same movement, click with the mouse, left mouse button and just drag, and preview, press preview, and then the clip renders out and you will get your glitch video. One moment please. There you go. Yeah, I think that's amazing. That's really cool. You can just create videos under 20 seconds like this. You can also, what's really cool, do transitions. Just click on add clip, add another clip. I will take for example this one. Then you can also trim it, and press then the little box here, check the box, and then you will have an transition from the one clip to the another clip. I will also trim this a little bit and press on preview, and then you will get a transition from the one video to another video, and that looks freaking awesome. Yeah, I think that's a really cool app, and yeah. Yeah, sometimes it needs a little bit, but it's really fast when compared to other apps. And then we have the reverse effect, and after the reverse effect we will get the transition to the other video. So all the pixels that are moving are being visible and are smearing all the pixel out. And yeah. You make me feel so good.